Dusty Home Fix, proven tips to banish dust and breathe easy. Are you tired of constantly battling dust in your home? Well, fret no more. In this video, we'll share proven tips to banish dust and breathe easy. Before I share these valuable tips, please take a moment and share, like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tip 1. Dust from top to bottom. Start by cleaning high surfaces and work your way down. Wipe away dust from ceiling fans, light fixtures, and bookshelves. Tip 2. Invest in air purifiers. These handy devices filter out dust particles, allergens, and other pollutants, ensuring clean and fresh air in your home. Tip 3. Don't forget your soft surfaces. Regularly vacuum and wash your curtains, carpets, and upholstery to remove trapped dust. Tip 4. Declutter your home. Clearing out unnecessary items reduces the amount of dust that can accumulate. Keep surfaces clean and dust-free by organizing and minimizing clutter. Tip 5. Use the right cleaning tools. Microfiber cloths and dusters are excellent for capturing dust instead of just spreading it around. Consider using a damp cloth to prevent dust from becoming airborne. Tip 6. Replace or clean air filters regularly. Your HVAC system accumulates dust over time, which can then circulate throughout your home. Keeping filters clean ensures cleaner air and less dust buildup. Tip 7. Banish dust mites from your bedding. Wash your sheets, pillowcases, and blankets regularly in hot water to effectively remove these microscopic pests that contribute to dust. Now you have the knowledge to conquer the dust in your home. Enjoy a fresher, cleaner living environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. This video was created by Bill Vargas, an independent Medicare agent, which means he works for you, not the insurance companies. www.medicareselfenroll.com. Enter your zip dust to find the right Medicare Advantage plan for you.